first day of harvest. So welcome to Harvest 2017. Today we did not rent a combine. We actually have a friend helping today. So we got his equipment down here. He was in the area. So thanks Ben Bowser for helping us out today and getting us rolling. Eventually we will get a rented combine. You'll see that later on, but today we get to use Ben's nice stuff, so we'll take the tractor and grain cart that Bowser's have, so I'll spin it around here. Basically got a pretty new 260 with a 750 J&M grain cart. Pretty nice setup. We'll check the beans out here. There's the combine. You kind of see the combine in the background there. Beans look decent, but I think what we're seeing, you can see them maybe on my real small beans. That's a shame. Small beans. So what we're hearing around the area is mid 40s. I've heard some 30s, a couple guys in 50s, but mid 40s is what at least here in Hardin County, Allglaze County, that region is what we're seeing so far. I'm sure there's some guys with some good yields going on, but for us, hoping for a little more, but we'll take what we got. So you can see the combine coming. This is a Case IH 6140 with a 35-foot draper head. We'll let the combine roll. Alright guys, it's Toby.
Making an appearance.
Toby Keith was singing there. It's about 9:30 on our first day cutting. We lost all the wind, so I don't know how long it's going to take before this stuff gets tough. These beans, we moved into another field. We probably went from mid 40s to we're jumping over 50 now. So these beans got better. They're tall, they're lanky, but man, they're going to get tough real quick. So I don't know how long we're going to make it to keep rolling. We'd like to we probably got 10 more acres to go, and then we're going to try to move to the next field, at least get it opened up. We're actually, for how early it is, we're running pretty hard because, you know, the fear of this weather turns. You know, we want to try to get off as much as we can while we can. So we'll push as far as we can. We'll see what happens. With that said, I did not make it to the farm science review. I know I told a few of you guys I would, just with accepting this new job at work. I've moved to days, Monday through Friday, like I said, so that should allow me to do more videos and excuse me, man, burping up some pizza, good lord. That allows me to, I guess, like I said, do some more videos, and not be on a wild schedule like I was at night. So that's a plus. But I know I told a few guys I'd be there. I'm sorry, I didn't make it down. It was my first week in the new job, so I wanted to transition well. So there's always next year. But I am kind of sad I didn't make it down, but you know, I am excited that I'm on days now, so it was worth the trade, I guess, with that. So yeah, no, I appreciate you guys riding along. I'll do as many videos as I can. I got some good drone shots. I think I'm actually starting to get decent videos and shots. I don't know. Maybe I'm not. Let me know. I don't know. But like I said, thank you. Thanks for riding along. Hit the like button, hit the share button, hit it all. Hit the subscriber button. Get me to 1,000. Get me to 1,000 people. I'm almost there. That just blows my mind that 1,000 people would want to watch these videos. So get me to 1,000. I know like how farms works. All them guys, they're going for 100,000. Get me to 1,000. And I would greatly appreciate it. That's just awesome. Blows my mind. So I can't thank you guys enough. I'll keep the videos rolling. We'll keep moving along. Thank you.